What's going on, Pina Colada Nation and members of the Pina Colada Squad? My name is Jeff Steelflex, and today we are here to celebrate Christmas. We got all kinds of gifts, amazing gifts. You saw all of them earlier in the video, and they are just breathtaking, beautiful gifts. That guy, he didn't want to wave at me. You know, he's an elderly man, and they don't wave at us young folks, especially, you know, they see us doing something like, we got the Christmas gifts. No way! No how! Anyways, today's a good day. Scratch a great day. And we're not gonna let any old Chester Eyeball Wallace ruin the day. So we're gonna spread some joy today. Hey, Papa John. Hey, you Papa John, that bagel. I think I know you. Anyways, here, I got this throne for you. I really hope you enjoy it. You know, just make sure you eat it wisely, all right? Enjoy, man. All right, hey, I'll see you tomorrow. 9 a.m., 10 a.m., one of the three. So before we get too far into this, I gotta say, this video was not my idea. I've done it in the past, and a beautiful, luxurious, and delicious. What are you doing, man? You're not even paying attention. We got a beautiful, delicious company that decided we needed to run it back and do it again, and that company is Raid Shadow Legends.
Have you ever dreamed of fitting an amazing, truly AAA game right in your pocket? Something you can dive into and play at any time? Well, now you can with Raid Shadow Legends.
With 500 champions to collect, each with their own skill trees and millions of artifacts to find and equip, no two champions will ever be the same. That makes for literally trillions of ways to build your teams, crazy depth, and endless strategies to figure out. Honestly, what I love most about the game is all the amazing chicks that I'd love to give rides to Taco Bell on my motorcycle, but instead we battle to the death! And if you don't believe me, just search the game up on YouTube. There's actually an enormous community of dedicated viewers and YouTubers specifically for this game. Not only do they love the game, but some of them even lick the game and rub the game on their precious pooch. And I gotta say, for a mobile game, this is freaking addicting, and I have a problem. Anyways, this month, to celebrate their 69th anniversary, Raid has released their biggest update ever. The main event is called Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 bosses to take on. And on top of that, there'll be a whole bunch of new fun holiday events and tournaments for you to try out. Now's the perfect time to hit the link in the description, because Raid's giving away a whole bunch of new free goodies, plus Bulwark. He's a special champion, perfect to help you get started in Doom Tower. You can even find me in game. My username is BigBurrito69, and if you use my link, you can even join my XXL Double Stuffed Burrito clan. But step on it, because these rewards are only available for the next 30 days.
Hey, Professor, how you doing? Oh, I'm great. You taking a peek at that all-wheel drive mobile? You know, I actually brought you something. You know, I brought it here just for you. You know, whether you get the car or not, you know, that's on you, but you definitely got to take this. You're gonna love it. It's gonna change your life, really.
What is it?
I mean, you can take a little feel, you know. It's not gonna hurt you, you know. I can guarantee you that. But look at that. There we go. It's in there, and I got to tell you what, that is gonna change your life. We're not starting, are we?
Uh-oh.
Oh no. See, this is what happens when you do a good deed. You get stuck. You know what? It's fine. You know what? We can work this out. We can work this out. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna do this. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. You know, we gotta freaking try. We gotta freaking try. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, Johnny! Oh my God, that would have been a little bit awkward, but we gave him some weights. How come a 1 pound cheeseburger doesn't feel as heavy as those things do? You know, it's kind of like a little strange scenario. You know, I think we're being lied to. I do. You know what that makes me want to do? That makes me want to come on in here. Oh crap, we can't. I don't even care. Oh man. Oh, we're coming on in. I'm so mad, dude. I gotta get a snowball. Yeah. Oh yeah. We gotta come out here and there we go. Now she's kind of cooled down a bit. You know, she was really overheated before, prior to that. Now she's cooled down. And watch this. You know, it's a little tip, a little trick. You never ridden before? There we go. She'll kick right on. That house is like a castle. Imagine if you lived in the castle, you'd be like a princess. Or like a commander. A couch commander. Johnny! Get it! Johnny boy! Crap! Oh, no! There you go. Enjoy, Papa John. It's alright. We'll get it next time. Next year, we're gonna recatch. I found that guy. He'll be there. I can smell it already. Excuse me. Oh yeah. That felt good. You gotta do that sometime. It's amazing. Jumping, you know, we keep losing our hat. It's really disturbing because, you know, people, they don't know I'm Sant. You know, obviously Sant, he jumps in bushes. It's no big deal. We got to do some kind of Augustus powder. You know, we got to get this thing really rolling. Because, you know, we don't want to be like a fake Sant. You know, we want people to know that we are the true Sants. There's all these Sants riding around on their motorcycles, and I'm kind of the only real one. So there we go. All right, well, next up, we've got a goodie. And honestly, I'm very excited about this. Oh, crap, no! No. No. Not in the parking lot. Oh, man, this is quite a festive year. I gotta say, all kinds. Oh, no. It's shattered. It's shattered. This is my favorite flavor, dude. There's no glass on the ground. It's all in here. Okay. You know, we're not gonna be popping any tires today, luckily. We gotta freaking get rid of this thing. See, it wasn't me on that last pass. It was the guy. All right, next up, we got this light. There's a beautiful LED light. You know, you're creeped out. You're trapped. Santa's climbing down your chimney to kill you. You have this. You know, you can save yourself. You know, you can thank the real Santa on the motorcycle that gave you this. All right, so I'd say it's time for a brief little sneak attack. So we're just gonna run over here like this. You know, we're just gonna do a little toss. You know, if they get it, they get it. If they don't, they don't. There's 4 of them. So, you know, I don't want to choose, but I do want to come over here on this bush. Look at this thing. That was an accidental bush. Look at that thing. They're taking it down. And we got an accidental bush over here. It kind of fell. You know, they're kind of leaving it there because it's Christmas time. But, you know, we don't want it there. You know, we gotta get rid of that thing. All right, we're taking a lap. Oh man, I gave away my weights. So, you know, I'm kind of. One of them picked it up. Maybe they'll arm wrestle for it later. Oh man, look at that. That is a beautiful Prius. Hey, lovely car you got there. I got one just like it. You see that one? It's beautiful. A lot faster than the truck. We got a dog barking on us though. Now that is something to be said. Ooh. Wow. Well, it's getting late. We gotta freaking hurry up. We still got some more gifts to pass out, but look at that. We got the chocolate cream in the ocean just lighting up the sky. That is beautiful. Hey, Turquoise Papa, you're that underwater philanthropist. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Hey, I've been wanting to give this to you for quite a long time.
What the hell is that?
Oh, it's amazing. You're gonna like it.
I don't know.
I gotta tell you, I mean, you're either gonna get it or you're not. And I gotta tell you, once you open it, you're just gonna love it. You're gonna absolutely, amazingly love it.
I don't know how I feel about that.
So what are we talking? You know, 1 to 10, like on the Richter scale. Are we gonna take it or are we not?
I don't know.
I might just take off and run with it. You're gonna be wondering for the next 7 months what was in here. That was our first denial, everybody. You know, he doesn't want it, and he looks like the type that would actually have a lot of fun with this thing. And you know, it's just gonna, it's gonna kind of make me cry. Oh well, maybe one of these guys want it. Hey, Johnny, I got you a gift. Happy birthday, buddy. It's gonna be amazing. You know, there's all those beards on it. And maybe one day you'll have one like that too. But for now, you have that. I hope he opens it. You know, it seems like people are afraid of that one. You know, they see the beards all over it. And, you know, it just screams salamanders. And nobody wants salamanders. Next up on the list, we have, oh man, for those who like measuring things. And I gotta tell you, I love measuring things. Johnny? Hey, tomorrow I'll be eating another sandwich, but for now I'd like to give you this. You know, this is something that's amazing, and you're really going to be able to put it to good use. So enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, yes sir. Hey, enjoy, Papa Jim. He appreciates it. He's got those dogs, you know, they got 10, 12, 14-inch long tails. He's going to need to measure them, and he's going to love that thing. He really is. Hey, Jay! Hey, happy birthday, buddy. You saw him up there? That was amazing. That makes up for that terrible moment that happened earlier, you know? You know, that made me want to cry, but instead now I just kind of want to go camp in this bush. Oh, yeah. All right, now I feel 700% rejuvenated. Let's go. You know, we can't be that happy. We got to downgrade ourselves. Let's go get a little bit wet, see? Shoes completely in. It's seeping through the sides as we speak. Yeah, man, And so, that brings us to the end of our beautiful Christmas special. 10 gifts. 10 years old, and of course 10 jumping jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Crap. Something like that. All right, here we go. We're just gonna leave that under there. Think someone will steal that if I just leave it there? Probably. You know, hopefully. You know, it'll be a good thing. You know, they'll have a lot of fun with it. And so regardless of all the division, addition, subtraction that's going on in the world today, I think there's one thing we can all agree on, and that is that it's completely normal to show up at your neighbor's house at 2 a.m., cut out their blinkers, and eat them.